if you are someone who is dealing with procrastination, if you are someone who knows your potential but for some reason you are not able to prove it to yourself, and if you are someone who is ambitious but don't know the exact direction to go on and just feel stuck, then this video might be for you, because this video is all about getting your spark back, and not just about you, it's about me as well. Maybe I'm just making this video to tell things that I wanted to hear from someone. If you are any of these or dealing with any of such stuff, then I would like you to hear me till the end of this video, where we'll be talking about how we can actually get our spark back, because we don't really have much time, to be honest. It is almost the end of July and we are going into August soon, obviously, which means we will be left with 5 months, like only 5 months of this year, जो कि ऐसे जाने वाले हैं. Cause from now onwards, all the festival season is going to arrive. Everything that's going to distract is just in this time period, and it is going to be difficult. It is actually going to be difficult to make up for the things we thought we would have already, in the last few months. But as they say, it's never too late. Hi, my name is Khwahish. I am a language student. I'm also a working person and I make videos here, which is like one of my favorite thing to do. You know that urge when 1 July hit and you are like, okay, this is like going to be the transformation period of my life. This is going to be like 6 months left. I'm going to make it. I'm going to change it. बेशक 30th June तक you are struggling with everything, but when it comes to 1 July, you are like, you need to get everything sorted. And eventually when you are in the month, you kind of realize कि nothing has really changed, because things are going just the way they were in June, they were in in the past months, and the motivation dropped there, because honestly nothing changes if you change nothing. This is the thing. I almost like exactly thought the same, that from July onwards I will be posting daily, I will be consistent with the social media thing, I will be consistent with my studies and the things that I want to achieve this year. But when it comes to reality, nothing really looked like that. Honestly, it all felt same, because the vision that I had in my mind is still the vision, and we are almost done with July as well, which basically means if this is something we are going to be repeating, and if this is something is going to be constant, then we will be just here talking about it even in the December 2026. There is no big deal that we will be talking about the same things again and again, until and unless we actually want the change, we actually want things to happen a little differently, so that धीरे धीरे we can improvise on it. This video is something that I thought of making because I also want to hear the stuff that I want from someone to tell me, but since no one is there to tell you, I'm here. I want to remind you, I want to remind myself that you don't have time. Okay, anyone is saying you that you have plenty of time, it's months left to prepare for that exam, it's months left to start that hobby, it's months left to work on that skill, or it's months left to post that video. And I just want to give you a reality check. It's not months left. You don't really have much time. You are behind of time. You really need to think it that way now, because honestly I was stuck in this phase. I am still stuck. I thought I would be consistent with the things. I have stuff written down in the diary, but it is only written. I don't know, the satisfaction I get from writing stuff is just on some another level, क्योंकि वो just लिखा रहता है, वो कभी पूरा नहीं होता. मतलब I'm not able to get it into the implementation. It is just only written, and that sucks. Honestly, it sucks, because why am I writing the stuff that I'm not going to do or I'm not going to change? And I think this should be the end of it, because if this is going to be the same, then this is just a loop we are in. I don't know when you are going to find this video, but I hope you don't find this video too late. But whenever you find it, you just have to know that this is your sign to actually start. No excuses, nothing, because we are choosing consistency over anything. Abhi tak, at this point of time, I have realized one thing: consistency over anything, like literally anything. You want to learn a skill, just be consistent with it. You want to start a hobby, start and be consistent with it. Even if you are doing it for like 15 or 20 minutes, you want to make your personal brand, just start. Honestly, we are treating it like an option. This is the only thing you are left with. This is the mindset you have to build within, you have to be with. Because if you are thinking that you have option, you have time, then I think this is where we are. This is what it is going to be. No changes, nothing. There are still days left to get into August. I want us to prepare for it. And when I talk about the spark, I think motivation is something which I would say is temporary. It is always going to come from here. It is always about the mindset. That's it. I don't think it is anything beyond that. When your mindset is stuck to one thing that you want it so bad, like for example, I don't want to admit this, even like I don't even want to admit it, but for example, one of my goal is to hit 1k on both of my Insta and YouTube, which seems very delusional, to be honest, which is delusional. I know, because I have literally one follower at Insta right now and 140 subs on YouTube. जिसमें से 2-3 अकाउंट तो मेरे ही हैं. But anyways, which is I know delusional, but again we have to be positive enough with our delusional to get them work, and they're not going to work until we put the work. So I don't know if I'm going to hit that number or whatever, but that number does not only mean a number to me. It means the number of hours I'm going to put in the work, the number of hours I will be going to choose consistency, the number of hours I will be there for myself even on the days I don't want to. So I think spark is all about from within. When you know that it is something I have to do, it's like a do or die situation. That's it. This is how urgent you need to treat your goals. This is how urgent you need to put everything aside but your goals. I really want you to hear it twice, because I think we will be discussing the same thing even in the end of August if we are just going to be in this loop. So I think getting your spark back is not just about being motivated by something and then you are doing it for 1 or 2 days and on the third day you are like, I think I've done enough. No, because this is who I am. I'm just talking about myself here, but I also, if anyone relates to it, if anyone is going through the same, I want you to stop thinking and take action. Taking action is all we need to do. I think it is not about getting your spark back. It is about knowing that there is no other choice you are left with. But yeah, I think this is it. These were the things that I wanted to talk about, and just know that you are not alone in this. Everyone feels stuck. Everyone is not always motivated. Everyone have their highs and lows, but eventually how you get out of it and work anyways is something that shows how bad you want it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts on it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.